Have you ever heard someone say, "It's raining cats and dogs," and wondered what it means? Today, we will explain this phrase and learn other fun expressions you can use every day. I'm Professor English, and I'm excited to have you here on Day 8 of our English Learning Challenge. Together, we will explore idioms and expressions that will make your English sound more natural. Let's get started. What are idioms? Idioms are special phrases. They don't mean exactly what the words say. For example, when we say, "It's raining cats and dogs," we don't mean real cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It means it is raining a lot. Learning idioms helps you understand conversations better and makes your speaking sound more natural. Now, let's look at some examples. Here are some common idioms you can use. Break the ice. This means to start a conversation. Hit the nail on the head. This means to be exactly right. Piece of cake. This means something is very easy. Now, let's practice saying them together. Repeat after me. Break the ice. Hit the nail on the head. Piece of cake. Great job! Here's how we can use these idioms in sentences. Let's break the ice with a fun game. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. This test was a piece of cake. Now, let's learn some expressions for everyday situations. Here are 3 useful ones. Under the weather. This means feeling sick. Once in a blue moon. This means something happens rarely. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. Let's say them together. Repeat after me. Under the weather. Once in a blue moon. Spill the beans. Awesome! Here's how to use these in sentences. I'm feeling under the weather today. We go to the beach once in a blue moon. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I will say an idiom or expression, and I want you to create a sentence using it. I'll give you a few moments to think. Ready? Break the ice. Great! Here's my sentence. At the party, I told a joke to break the ice. What about you? What sentence did you come up with? Under the weather. Awesome! My sentence is, I stayed home because I was under the weather. Your turn. What was your sentence? Spill the beans. Fantastic! I said, don't spill the beans about the surprise. Share your sentences with your friends or family, or you can write your sentence below. Let's keep practicing together. Now, let's do a fun quiz to test what you've learned. I'll say an idiom, and you tell me what it means. Ready? Let's go. Break the ice. Correct. It means to start a conversation. Under the weather. Yes, it means feeling sick. Once in a blue moon. Right. It means something happens rarely. Hit the nail on the head. Exactly. It means to be exactly right. Piece of cake. Great. It means something is very easy. Spill the beans. Awesome. It means to reveal a secret. You did amazing. Keep practicing these idioms and you'll sound like a native speaker in no time. Now, let's explore some helpful tips to make learning idioms and expressions even easier. Watch English movies and TV shows. This is a fun way to hear how idioms are used in real conversations. You can see the expressions in action and understand their meanings through context and body language. Read English books. Reading helps you see idioms in different contexts. You can learn how they fit into sentences and stories, which makes them easier to remember. Plus, reading can improve your overall vocabulary. Practice using idioms in your own sentences. The more you use idioms, the more comfortable you will become with them. Try writing or speaking sentences with new idioms you learn. This helps improve your memory and boosts your confidence in using them. Use language learning apps that focus on idioms. Many apps provide quizzes, games, and interactive activities specifically designed for idioms. This makes learning fun and engaging, allowing you to practice at your own pace while tracking your progress. By following these tips, you'll not only learn idioms and expressions faster, but you'll also enjoy the process. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a pro. Here are 10 common idioms in English, along with their meanings. Never, when pigs fly. To leave, hit the road, good luck. To break a leg, very happy, on cloud nine. In trouble, in hot water, unexpectedly, out of the blue, annoying, pain in the neck. To sleep, hit the sack, too late, to miss the boat, stop working, call it a day. You did an amazing job today. Keep using these idioms and expressions when you speak. Now, here's your challenge. Write a sentence using one of the idioms you learned today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any lessons. I can't wait to see you for day 9. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.